Hello everybody, Time is Solution Digest number 13. In this digest I would like to introduce you the new feature in intermarket model. This is composite. You see, composite, the users ask me a lot to add this feature, and this feature allows to build a superposition of different similarities. For example, right now Dow Jones can be interpolated and extrapolated as a superposition to financial instruments. Gold with lag 158 days plus inverted crude oil with lag 112 years. I will show you how to do it with using new feature composite. Next example, for example, sometimes ago we built here 10, 20, 50 years pattern. Now I will show you how to improve this model using this new feature. Okay, let's start. Okay, I have downloaded Dow Jones, and now I run intermarket model and build a forecast model based on gold and crude oil prices. Okay, intermarket model is here. Okay, and now I will download firstly gold. Click from time and solution data feed, and in futures you will find gold. Here it is. Now we want to find leading indicator, lag. What lag should be used for gold? Usually for gold, lag 120 or 150 days. Okay, let's find this lag. The lag that can be used to forecast Dow Jones. Okay, click this button. ILS, we will calculate ILS chart for. Look at this. Okay, you see this peak here, left peak corresponds leading lags. This is leading lag. So I click here and I will find this lag 158 days. This lag allows to go forecast with accuracy 14%. So this model forecasts 14% of price movement. By the way, last year, no, it's not good, but at least there is some peak here. So this is, I click here and this lag automatically set here, 158 days, and you can see how this lagged chart, this is red, this is lagged gold, with lag 158 days. And next we will find we'll download crude oil. In futures, crude oil is here. And now we will find what lag should be used for crude oil to make forecast for Dow Jones. Okay, I click ILS, intermarket lag chart, and it shows this peak. This peak, by the way, not bad. This peak, it is here. 112 days, and this peak allows to forecast Dow Jones with accuracy 20%. Not bad at all. And last year it works not bad. So I close this and this 112 days lag is here, and inverted crude oil with lag 112 days. This indicator can be used to forecast Dow Jones. So this is two similarities. Now new feature. You can click here view. You can choose here composite. So you will get superposition of these two curves. Shifted red shifted gold, and blue shifted crude oil. And this is superposition of these two lines. Actually, you see the most complicated part here. This is find the proper math to find the right weights. to find this is actually last 2 weeks I tried to find this algorithm, and finally I believe this algorithm has been found. This is good algorithm that calculates superposition of different similarities, and you see this is forecast. This is forecast for gold based on shifted lagged gold and lagged crude oil. You see before last price bar they call it interpolation model, and after last price bar they call it extrapolation. So this is extrapolation of Dow Jones. Okay. Next step, let's calculate a 10, 20, 50 years pattern. Okay, in timing solution, intermarket model, this is Dow Jones still, intermarket model. So I will add self Dow Jones versus against Dow Jones. I will do it 3 times because I will analyze 3 cycles. And now I will shift this chart on 10 years. You see now there is new feature here. You see calculator. You see you can set here lag. Okay, I set here lag 10 years. Click here, 10 years. So this is chart shifted to 10 years. You see, and this red chart shifted 10 years. You can see, if you click here, you can see the scale for this chart. Here it is. Okay. Next, oh, sorry, my mouse doing something wrong. Okay, sorry. Okay, next chart, I shifted this chart, how many? 20 years. Okay, click this button and shift it 20 years. 20 years. You see, this is chart, second chart, blue. This is chart shifted 20 years. And next 50 years. Chart shifted 50 years. 50. Click OK. And this is superposition. Now let's calculate superposition based on these 3 charts. Composite. You see, this is okay. But you see, the question is why 10 years, why 20 years? Maybe we need to try another values. For example, 70 years or 30 years. Okay, you see what we can do. We can analyze it as 10 years cycle. Do this way. Click this button and there is item here, a custom period. Click here and choose here the period. Let's analyze period 10 years. It means that we will analyze shifts 10 years, 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on years. Okay, so I click OK, and the program will calculate the best fitting years with period 10 years. So the most correlated, this is 1963, this is 60 years, chart 60 years ago. 1963. This is chart. Just a sec, I will show this chart. Oh, red. Oh, sorry, similarities. Yeah. 1963. Next, I will check this next one. 2003, this is 20 years ago. So 20 years ago. This is blue. This is chart shifted 20 years back. And another chart, what 1973. This is, I tell you, 50 years ago. So, in other words, the best way work pattern, 60 years, 20 years, 50 years. And this is superposition based composite based on these 3 cycles. Here it is. forecast based on these 3 cycles. Okay, thank you.